If you switch from iPhone to Android and you're wondering how to transfer all your important data from contacts and photo to messages and apps, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you two free and easy methods to transfer data from iPhone to Android. The first method is super simple and doesn't require any cables. You can use a Google account to sync important data like contacts, calendars, events, and photos from your iPhone to Android. Open your iPhone and go to settings, then tap on Apple ID at the top and select iCloud. Make sure that contacts, calendars, and photos are turned on for syncing. Now open your Google account on the iPhone account and go to settings, mail and accounts and tap add account and choose Google and log in with your Google credentials. Once logged in, toggle on contacts, calendars, and any other items you want to sync. Now grab your Android phone, go to settings, accounts, and Google, and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account. Next app that you can use is Move to iOS app. First, download the Move to iOS app from on your Android from the Google Play Store. On your iPhone, begin the setup process. Once you reach the apps and data screen, select Move Data from iPhone. And now open the Move to iOS app on your Android and follow the prompts. The app will ask you to enter a code. Simply enter the code, and that's it. These are some two ways to transfer your data from iPhone to Android.